Hi, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a bonus reading para sa Virgo naman. So, yeah, let's check what's additional guidance, blessings, messages for you, Virgo. Check nyo rin yung iba niyong videos. Baka maka-resonate kayo, and yeah, kunin nyo lang kung sa kayo nakarelate, and iwan nyo yung hindi sa iba. Don't forget to follow my TikTok accounts kung saan ako active. And of course, here then, para updated kayo sa mga free readings and other announcements. Let's see, Virgo, ano yung messages for you? Virgo. We got the Hanged Man in reverse. I heard, may naririnig ako full blast. Pwedeng from hermit mode, nasa ano ka na, taking actions, taking responsibilities. I heard also excitement, actions. What else? Virgo. 3 of Cups. Excitement, actions lead into celebration. 8 of Cups. Meron ako nakikita ditong pwedeng merong energy from the past na iniwan mo na to, like nilet go mo na ang emotions na to, ang person to, or ang situation na to, but meron pa ring mga nagre-resurface na emotions. Probably hindi mo pa siya na-address or naaayos ng buo or with clarity. What else for Virgo? Bonus messages for Virgo. I heard pwede rin magkaroon kayo ng change of location. 2 of Cups. Seven of Pentacles. For some of you naman, sa love aspects, meron ako nakikita. Although merong harmony sa partnership with you and your person, for some of you here, meron kayong mga adjustments na gagawin or currently ginagawa ng person para mas magkaroon ng growth and mas maging mapagpasensya kayo ng person na to sa isa't isa, which is really good. For some of you here naman, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng lakad ng person and celebrate something. What else for Virgos? 7 of Cups. 10 of Pentacles. The Moon. King of Wands. The Hermit mode. This is a Virgo card. And what else? Latag muna tayo ng mga baraha. Virgo. For some of you here, meron ako nakikitang toxic addictions. Toxic and addictions are kinda the same. For some of you, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ulit ng temptations na uminom ng mga toxic na inumin sa katawan, like nakakalasing, and nagiging habits nyo na naman siya, part na naman siya ng habits ninyo or habits ninyo everyday. Might as well find some time to retract from that kind of situation, kasi pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng hallucinations dyan eh. Meron din ako nakikita dito regarding sa past emotions. Ito, pwedeng instead na paganahin natin yung clarity, Virgo, mas isusuppress natin yung emotions na yun. Mas iiralin natin yung pride or yung ego, which is pwedeng magkaroon ka ng matindi or deep na isolation and reflection from it. For some of you here naman, pwedeng may plano kayong kumuha ng pet or bumili ng pet. King of Swords, Knight of Swords, the Empress, and Knight of Pentacles. Last card for you, Seven of Wands. Okay. From an energy of gustong magkaroon ng pet, meron ako nakikita dito, pwedeng after ng reflection, mas magkakaroon ka ng enough or mas klarong messages or voice to speak up kung ano yung nasa loob mo. Pwedeng kontakin mo rin yung person na involved. Kung sino man yung iniisip mo while listening to this video, pwedeng magkaroon ng initiation on your end na kontakin ng person na yan para mas magkaroon kayo ng clarity at alam mo yung mas makapag-focus ka na sa sarili mo, sa craft mo, sa gusto mong gawin, kasi wala na yung mabigat or wala na yung tension na nararamdaman mo sa loob mo. For some of you here naman, maring magkaroon ng pagbagal ng pag-angat when it comes to your income here. So, sana ay nagkaroon kayo ng savings or naging ugali niyong magtira from your mga blessings. And meron din ako nakikita dito na it's okay, Virgo, na maging matipid or maging defensive ka muna sa iyong mga expenses para mas magkaroon ka ng enough time to save up kung ano yung mas mahalaga sa'yo. So, this is your reading, Virgo. Kung naka-resonate ka man, just comment and subscribe. Don't forget to follow all of our social media accounts. And thank you so much!